Hello children, hope you all are well. Today we have met online after a very long time and will continue to meet online for some time. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of SS, that is chapter 1, the earth, our home. Okay, before we start with the chapter, I would like you to take pencil and book with you and note down important points. Secondly, pay attention during the whole session, and lastly, note down the homework. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the earth and its shape. Before that, I would like you to see about the solar system, the family of a solar system. What is the family of the solar system? They are sun, moon and 8 planets. Which are the 8 planets? That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Now today we are going to discuss about Earth. Why Earth is called a unique planet? It's called a unique planet. Why? This question must be arising in your mind, right? Other planets are not called unique planet, but Earth is the only planet which is called unique. Why? Because Earth has water, air and sunlight. Means right amount of sunlight the earth gets, which helps other living beings to survive on it. Means on earth life exists. So on earth life exists because it has right amount of water, air and sunlight. Earth is the third planet from the sun. So it gets proper amount of sunlight and heat which is required for the life to exist. Now next is about third-fourth part of Earth's surface is covered with water. If you have seen the earth of model earth, then it is almost covered with water. That is the half of the part is look blue in color. So that blue color is of water part, that is 3/4 part is covered with water and 1/4 part is covered with land. Okay, so this is about the earth. Now we'll discuss about the shape of the earth. Okay, you must be thinking that everything around us we see is flat, right? Maybe if you see way to your school is flat, then crops grown on land, is flat. So everything is flat, then we must be thinking that earth must be also flat. Right? But there is some people have proved that earth is round. How? Let's see how earth is round. In year 1519, Ferdinand Magellan with his crew started a voyage. Voyage means a long journey in the sea from Spain. They kept on sailing in the same direction from where they have started. Then after 3 years, they reached at the same place. At the same place from where they have started. This proved that Earth is round. If you look at the picture of a Earth, suppose this is the Earth, right? This is the Earth. Very carefully, then Earth, it looks completely round, right? But it just look like an orange, but its top and the bottom part is little flat, right? And from center it is little bulged. Bulged means sticky in the surface, but from top and the bottom part it is flat. This is the North Pole and this one is the South Pole. Okay, and this how the Earth is not exactly round. Okay, the top part and the bottom part is little flat. That is North Pole and South Pole is flat, and from center it is little bulged. This is the shape of the Earth. I hope you must be clear about the Earth and its shape. I would like you to note down the homework related to this topic. Hard words. First word is unique. U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique. Second word is voyage. V-O-Y-A-G-E. Next is bulged. B-U-L-G-E. Next is Fernand. And last is Magellan. Now word and its meaning. So word is voyage. Meaning is a long sea journey. Learn and write 5 times. Hard words and meanings. Thank you.